Well, welcome back. We're going to be putting my commentary on Brampton, and I'm actually going to be doing it in the actual video. So, Nissan Quest. What a letdown this Nissan Quest is. So, junk run, and they had I believe they called it like old school full size, which is you can't really do anything. So they started us off with a Utah start. So there's me coming in the ring right there with my Nissan Quest. So I had high expectations. I had doubles, I had a dirt bike tire, I had a replica bumper, I had everything I needed to do good at this derby. I had a big open track where I could get fast enough speed to use that Nissan Quest. And let me show you guys how well this went, because see the disappointment on this face about the Nissan Quest. So the derby starts. I come out of the corner. I line up one hit with my back end. I get pushed across the street with the Caravan. I thought that the rear-wheel drive had a full frame, so I figured it'd be my biggest competition. Use the back end against it. Make a half-decent hit, nothing big. Caravan comes, breaks my spindle, my axle, my strut, my tie rod, my lower control arm, and my ball joint. All in one shot. So, that's 2 derbies with that Nissan Quest. First time, I broke everything on driver's side with a light tap. Second derby, 31 seconds, and everything on passenger side broken. That Nissan Quest is garbage, and it's going to be going to scrap immediately. I'm going to be cutting my bumper off, removing my gas tank, taking my battery out, and scrapping that damn van. Anybody that ever wants to run a Nissan Quest, the frame rails might be tough, but everything on suspension is so weak it's not worth running. Scrap it. I'm done. This commentary's done because I'm losing my mind thinking about the Nissan Quest. Oh, I could probably pull out all this hair just thinking about it. Look at it. This is all because of that Nissan Quest. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and we'll see you back here later on Zach's Workshop.